In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by last name in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of names in first name and last name. So our goal is to sort this column B for last name. So to do this, simply highlight and drag the list of cells or the range of cells that are involved in the sorting. So after selecting and highlighting, in the menu navigation, simply go to Data, and in Data, go to Sort Range. In here, this will provide you options. Sort range by column B, which is A to C, which means that this will be alphabetized from A up to Z, or sort range by column B, which is from Z to A. So let's click A to Z in here, and as you can see, it is now alphabetized from letter B, C, P, R, S, V. Now let's try the other way around. Simply go to Data again, Sort Range, Z to A, and as you can see in here, letter V is the first one to pop up inside the cells in the range. And that's about it. That's how to sort by last name in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.